Dear students, how are you? Hope you are quite well by the grace of God. Our online class is going on. Today I am going to take the classes class 9-10 English second paper. I am Mrinal Ganti Tarobdar, head teacher of J.A. Chaudhary Secondary School, Joygram, Noragati, Kalia, Narai. Today we shall discuss about sentences. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense according to meaning or purposes. There are 5 kinds of sentence. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Again, according to the structure, sentences are of 3 kinds: likely, simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. Simple sentence. What is simple sentence? A simple sentence is a sentence having only one subject and only one finite verb. As the cuckoo sings, the boys play football. Now, what is finite verb? A finite verb is a kind of verb whose action is limited by person and number of the subject and changes its form according to sentence. Note, I go to school, he goes to school. A simple sentence has only one finite verb and more than non-finite verb. What is non-finite verb or verbals? A verb that does not complete the speech of a sentence is called non-finite verb. Non-finite verb are 3 classes. Look at the blackboard. Non-finite verb or verbals: infinitive, gerund, participle. Infinitive, simple infinitive or gerund infinitive. Participle, present participle, past participle, perfect participle. What is infinitive? 2 plus base form of a verb use denoting purpose of an action in a sentence, such as he came to invite me. He went to market to buy a pen. Here, to invite infinitive. To buy infinitive. What is gerund? The verb which does the function of a verb and a noun is called a gerund, such as swimming is a good exercise. Here, swimming is gerund. Another sentence, walking is good for health. Here, walking is gerund. What is participle? The word which does the function of a verb and an adjective is called a participle. Participle are three kinds. They are present participle, past participle, perfect participle. What is present participle? A present participle is an infinitive verb having ing form and the function of an adjective and a verb, such as going there, I found him absent. Here, going is present participle. Another sentence, I saw a boy playing football. Here, playing is present participle. What is past participle? The verb having past participle form and does the function of a verb, an adjective is called past participle, such as I have done the work, the book was stolen. Here, done is past participle. The book was stolen. Here, stolen is past participle. Now, perfect participle. The perfect participle is a non-finite verb containing, having, and past participle from and does the function of a verb and adjective, as having seen the dog, the boy went away. Here, having seen is perfect participle. Having finished the work, we went to playground. Here, having finished is perfect participle. Now, compound sentence. What is compound sentence? A compound sentence is a sentence which contains two or more principal clause joined by a coordinating conjunction. Example, I went there and found him reading. He is poor, but he is honest. Note, a compound sentence has two or more subject and two or more finite verb. A compound sentence is divided into two kinds, namely double sentence and multiple sentence. What is double sentence? A double sentence is a sentence which contains two coordinate clauses joined by one coordinating conjunction. Example, the man is poor, but he is honest. We went to school and the bell rang. Multiple sentence. What is multiple sentence? A multiple sentence is a sentence having three or more coordinating clauses. By one or more coordinating conjunction, such as I went to market, bought a book and returned home. Another sentence, the boy came home, took rest and went to the playground. Now we shall discuss the clauses. What is a clause? A clause is a part of a large sentence which has a subject and a finite verb. As the boy said that he would help me. I saw a boy who was playing football. Clauses are of mainly three kinds, like principal clause, subordinate clause and coordinate clause. What is principal clause? The principal clause is clause which is not dependent on other clauses to express the full space. Example, everybody likes him because he is honest. I know the girl who can sing well. Here, I know the girl is PC or principal clause, who can sing well, subordinate clause. What is subordinate clause? The subordinate clause is a clause which is dependent on the principal clause to express the speech clearly, such as, unless you work hard, you will fail. Here, unless you work hard is subordinate clause, you will fail principal clause. Coordinate clause. What is coordinate clause? When two principal clauses are joined by a coordinating conjunction are known as the coordinate clause. As I sent him a letter and he replied, "He studied well, so he has made a good result. Here I sent him a letter, principal clause, and he replied, coordinate clause. He studied well, so he has made a good result. Here he studied well is a principal clause, so he has made a good result is coordinate clause. Now, complex sentence. A complex sentence is a sentence which has one principal clause and one or more subordinate clause, such as the boy who came here is my brother. I know that he would help me. Although he is poor, he is honest. Here, the boy who came here is my brother. It is subordinate clause. I know that he would help me. I know principal clause, that he would help me, subordinate clause. Although he is poor, he is honest. Here, although he is poor, subordinate clause, he is honest, principal clause. Dear student, no more today. Thank you. Goodbye.